Is Decent Wallet safe? I'm going to give you a usage experience. Basically, having explored the Decent Wallet firsthand, I can confidently say it offers a solid mix of security, convenience, and also innovative features. While it provides biometric authentication and seamless mobile connectivity, and there are some trade-offs that users should actually consider. So let's go over some of these user reviews and feedback as well, because while Decent Wallet stands out with its biometric authentication, adding basically an extra layer of security, however, there are some users that report occasional technical issues, okay, with the fingerprint recognition. That is a big problem. Now, its intuitive interface basically makes the navigation smooth, and managing crypto via a smartphone is a big plus. But it's worth noting that the desktop support is limited, which may not suit everyone. Also, the size is slightly larger than other hardware wallets, basically making it less portable. So if we go over some of these pros and cons of Decent Wallet, the advantages include the ease of use. So it has intuitive interface for smooth operation. Biometric security, basically, fingerprint protection adds extra safety. Mobile connectivity, basically, convenient smartphone integration. Now let's look at some of the disadvantages. The price point. It's more expensive than some competitors. The size is slightly larger than other hardware wallets, affecting its portability. There's also limited desktop support, heavy reliance on the smartphone app, the mobile app. So is it actually worth it? Well, it is a strong contender in the hardware wallet space, especially for users who basically enjoy tech-driven features and easy mobile access to their crypto. However, if you prioritize cold storage, self-custody, and absolute security, alternatives like Material Bitcoin or Cold Card might be better suited. Okay? But otherwise, it is actually safe to store, cryptocurrency in Decent Wallet because the wallet does use biometric authentication and a secure element chip to basically protect private keys. However, since it connects to a mobile app, some users may prefer a fully, air-gapped cold storage solution for maximum security. So, would I recommend the Decent Wallet? It depends. If mobile accessibility, biometric security, ease of use are your top priorities, then yes, it's a great choice. But if you prefer a fully offline solution, you may want to explore other cold wallets, okay? And that's it for today's review. I hope you found this review helpful. If you did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Appier Solutions, and I'll see you in the next one.